In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete applied jobs on LinkedIn. Navigating job applications can be a little overwhelming, especially when you're applying to several roles across different companies. So, today, we'll focus on decluttering your LinkedIn dashboard by removing jobs you've already applied for. This will help keep your job search organized and streamlined. First, start by logging into your LinkedIn account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to redirect your attention to the top navigation bar on your homepage. Hover your cursor over the jobs icon, which is usually represented by a briefcase symbol. Give it a click and it will take you to the main jobs page, where you can see all things related to your job search and applications. Once you're on the jobs page, look towards the left side of your screen. There, you should see a menu labeled My Jobs. This section is specifically designed to keep track of the positions you've already applied to, as well as those you've saved. Click on My Jobs, and it will display a complete list of your ongoing applications. Now, scroll through the list and locate the positions you want to delete from your records. Take your time to decide which applications you don't need to keep track of anymore. Having a clear idea in mind of what doesn't serve you can help in maintaining an uncluttered space. For each job you wish to remove, you'll see an option or icon, usually 3 dots or a similar symbol next to the listing. Clicking on it will provide a drop-down menu with different actions you can take. At this point, you should see an option that says Remove or Delete Application. Select this option to remove the job from your list. Rest assured, this does not affect your application status with the employer. It only removes the record from your personal LinkedIn dashboard. After selecting Remove, a prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the job application. This step is important as it prevents accidental deletions. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Confirm. Repeat this process for all the jobs you would like to delete from your list. Once you are done, you should have a cleaner, more manageable overview of your job search efforts. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has helped simplify your job application management on LinkedIn. Keeping your digital workspace tidy can significantly reduce stress and improve your focus when chasing those dream roles. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.